Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. All of you write your name and roll number fast.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, beta. All of you write your names and roll numbers fast. So I can take the. Okay. Just we'll start the lecture now. All of you have written the name, beta. Yes or no? Give me the answer. All of you have written the names.
Yes.
Okay. So first I will take the attendance fast. Then we will start. Okay. Who is not feeling well? Nakvi Muhammad Zaigam.
Sir.
Okay. Rizvi Imran Abbas.
Present, sir.
Mukhi Ghazi Ruhan.
Present.
Wasaya Zishan.
Present.
Mogar Arhan.
Present.
Jalali Yasnain. Jalali Yasnain Raza.
Present.
Gadiali Asgar.
Present.
Abbawala Uzefa.
Present, sir.
Lakhani Kasim.
Present, sir.
Very good. Only this much students are there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 students. Okay, so already we have finished lesson number 9 in the class. Lesson 9 हमने finish कर दी बराबर ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
In the class already I have given you the notes. आपको सब notes मिल गई थी ना?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Anything is
मेरी तो
remaining in
कंप्लीट ही
lesson
है.
9? Huh? हाँ बेटा, what happened?
मेरी तो कंप्लीट ही है सर ऐसे बोला.
I am that time telling that 9 lesson notes I have given you, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is lesson number 10. It is very interesting chapter. Okay, all of you put off your mic. Mics off. Okay. So today we are going to start lesson number 10. This is very interesting lesson. You will like it. Those who have joined new, please write the names. Those who have
सर
joined new, yes.
लिखने का है यार.
नहीं लिखना नहीं है बेटा. I will send you the PDF afterwards. हाँ?
ओके.
Those who have joined new, please write the names fast. Who has joined in the class? Very good. Pathan Rehan. Jamani Salman. Whose mic is on? किसका mic on है? I'll check it now only. Nobody will on the mic, huh, beta? Okay. Somebody has joined new. Please write the name fast. Okay, Jamani Salman has written. Then Pathan Alfas. Anybody else who is remaining to write the names? Nobody is there? No. Okay, now let us start our session. Okay? So now I am presenting my screen. In the lesson, we will start with our new chapter. How are dogs useful to us? Dogs हमें कैसे useful होते हैं? चलो, who will give me the answer?
सर
Dogs कैसे
हमारे
useful?
पे मदद
Dogs
करता
हमें कैसे useful होते हैं?
तो वो चोर को भगा देता है कुत्ता
Okay, who has given the
और वो
answer?
हमारे पीछे भी दौड़ता है कभी बार
Useful, useful. How it is useful to us? हमें वो कैसे useful है? Not he is running behind us. हमारे पीछे भागता है. Not like this.
हम कहीं
वो
बाहर हम कहीं
सर
बाहर जाते हैं ना
सर
तो
बहुत वफादार
वो
होता है
हमारा घर का ध्यान
One minute,
रखता
one
है.
minute, one minute, one minute. Those who want to give the answer, write in the chat box, but don't give all of you answer together. सब लोग एक साथ आंसर मत दो. ओके बेटा?
सर मैं देता हूँ. हम
ओके, गिव
हम
इट बेटा.
हम बाहर जाते हैं ना तब वो
हाँ,
डॉग हमारे घर का ध्यान रखते हैं.
वेरी गुड. और
और सर हम जब रात को सोते हैं ना तब कोई चोर घुस जाता है तो हमारा जो डॉग होता है ना वो उसको बाहर भगाता है कि निकल
वेरी
जाए
गुड, वेरी गुड. एनीथिंग एल्स?
वो काट देता है
हमारे घर का ध्यान रखता है. दैट गार्ड्स अवर हाउस. इट इज सेफ्टी. इट कीप्स सेफ्टी. He is our best friend or not?
यस
Dog is
यस
our
यस
best friend. Why he is best friend? Because it is a wild animal or domestic animal? उसे कौन सा एनिमल बोलते हैं डॉग को?
डोमेस्टिक डोमेस्टिक
डोमेस्टिक. वाइल्ड एनिमल बोल नहीं सकते because wild animals are living in the jungles. They live in the jungle, but we are not there to live in the jungle. We are here only. Okay. So now
जंगल में सर रहते हैं वो सबको भटका खा जाते हैं
and this person is helping us. Dogs helps us. What do dogs helps us? Okay. Very good. Chalo. Now let us start with our. I will present my screen.
यस.
सर
Okay, all of you can see my screen.
यस यस सर
यस सर.
Okay.
यस यस
Okay. Very
यस
good.
यस यस
Okay, you can see the picture. What it is.
यस
Okay. Dogs are.
यस.
Let us see the warm up. We have to solve it. Those who are having the textbook. जिसके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है, those who are having the textbook, वो ये देख सकते हैं. Those are not having the textbook, no problem. Now let us see here. Dogs are loyal animals. They help human beings in number of ways. Loyal means, loyal का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of loyal?
यानी कि वो हमारे घर हाउस का ध्यान रखते हैं।
He is a very good friend of our. He helps in number of ways. It helps his number of ways. So let us see, look at the picture. How can dog help people in this situation? Discuss in the class. So here it is, four pictures are given. The four pictures क्या दिखाते हैं? What it is shows you? ये फोर पिक्चर्स क्या
सर
दिखाते हैं?
पहले एक अंधा है, वो जा रहा है।
पहला अंधा है तो उसका रोड पास कर रहा है।
ओके,
वो मशीन में जा रहा है। और तीसरे में घर टूट गया है। और चौथे में की गार्ड है।
but all of you will speak together. Then how I will able to understand who is speaking? One, not all together. एक एक करके बोलना है बेटा. Okay. So let us see. I will give you explanation. In first one is that a person who is blind. Blind मतलब
सर वो आंधळा है। वो रास्ते में से जा रहा है। उसको
but blind का
आंधळे।
मतलब I know. Blind मतलब he cannot see.
हाँ
सर
He is
उसके
not
आगे
able to see.
अंधा।
Okay. So the dog. Okay. Mic off. So these dogs can help a man to cross the road. Okay, second one, a person who is on the wheelchair. You can see on the wheelchair that is in the wheelchair a person, a dog can help to pull the wheelchair. Wheelchair को चलाने में थोड़ी मदद कर सकता है. अगर person is not able to stand up from the wheelchair, he needs something, he needs somewhere to go, then this person helps us. Okay. Third one, whenever any house is falling, जब कोई घर गिरता है तब क्या होता है? Dogs are able to know before. उसे पता चल जाता है कि कुछ होने वाला है. Understood? Yes or no?
यस
हाँ.
यस सर।
हाँ. और क्या होता है? Dogs, their smelling power is very strong. Smelling power means
वो इसको भी मदद कर देता है।
आवाज बहुत अच्छी है उसकी।
okay. उसकी nose is very active.
इसमें
बहुत ही एक्टिव है यह. So they can see that. They are able to see that. Sorry, they can smell the things wherever it is. You can see sometimes the police is helping. Police needs the dog, and he immediately finds it out. Okay.
यस सर।
And in the fourth picture, that is guards our home. What it is do? It will guard our home. As a duty of guard also he can do it. Okay. From here the story begins. Chalo, this is the real life story where a pack of dogs helped save the lives of many. Means it is a real life incident. Real life means क्या? What is real life?
रियल लाइफ मतलब जैसे कि रियल हुआ है हमारे साथ। रियल
Very good. Real. It is happened. A really thing it is happened when a pack of dogs, means so many dogs have helped. So many dogs have helped. To whom? किसे help किया था? They have saved the lives of many peoples. They have saved the life of
मेरी पेपर
many peoples. Now, how they have saved the life? Let us see here. Now, who is going to read?
सर आई विल रीड। सर आई
सर
विल
Yes,
रीड।
read.
सर It was a bitterly cold January in Nome in northern
Northern.
northern Alaska. The year was 1925. Some children in the town fell ill and died. The doctor Curtis
Curtis Welch.
Welch real, realized the that the menace was
Menace was.
menace was diphtheria, a disease that can infect quickly and spread from one person to another very fast. At
Okay,
that,
very good. Okay, very good. It was the time of January. Now also it is January going on, no?
Yes.
Which is this month?
January.
January. Now it is cold or hot?
sir, cold, बहुत ठंडी लागे.
Cold. Cold.
Now you know that it is very cold today. From
Yes.
last 3 or 4 days, or we can say last 5 or 6 days, the wind is very much and even there is very cold. बहुत ठंडी लग रही है ना?
ये सर कितने को तो बीमारी भी होगी है बहुत.
So we are suffering from this cold and we are not feeling well. So like this, it was a bitterly cold. Bitterly cold means this was. बेटा mic सब लोग off कर दो. When I will tell that time you have to put on the mic. Okay. It was bitterly cold January in Nome. Means a Nome is the there it is Alaska. Alaska is the country. There is a small one Nome and it was January. It was the season of January and it was very cold. What was the year? The year was 1925. The year was 1925. It was roundabout is the 97 years or 96 years before. कितने साल पहले की स्टोरी है ये?
96 सर 96
96 years before story it is there. Some children in the town fell ill and died. Some of the children, as per you know that if the children are not feeling well, they are suffering from some of the disease, they are falling ill. But here what it is happening, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? The children are falling ill also and they are dying also. बीमार भी पड़ रहे और मर भी रहे. Okay. So the doctor Curtis Welch realized that the menace was diphtheria. What was the main? The main doctor who was listening this, okay, who was taking care of this person, all the children's, but now he came to know, उसे पता चल गया कि ये कौन सी बीमारी है. The name of the disease is, what is the name of the disease?
diphtheria.
Diphtheria. Now in diphtheria, what it is happen? In diphtheria, the children are dying. क्या कर रहे? The children are dying very quickly. And this disease is infect quickly and spread one person to another person. हम बोलते हैं ना कि एक तो ये जो बीमारी है दूसरे को आराम से लग जाती है. हाँ या
Yes.
ना?
One to
Yes.
another person.
छूने
Another
से लग जाती है या फिर anything is happening like this. तो क्या करते हैं? What we are going to do? What we have to do if
हमारी
disease is
हमारी
spreading like
सेफ्टी.
this?
मास्क पहनना चाहिए हमको इसलिए
हाँ बेटा
सैनिटाइजर करना चाहिए.
Now it is disease is there, but before Lord it was not like this. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. It was not like this before.
सर हॉट क्लॉथ पहनना चाहिए, हॉट क्लॉथ, हॉट कपड़ा.
Hot kapda? What is this hot kapda?
हॉट
Huh?
ગરમ
हॉट
કપડું
टी
કહે
शर्ट,
છે.
हॉट शर्ट, हॉट पैंट पहननी चाहिए भाई सर.
Okay, very good. Chalo, no problem. Okay, so this disease is spreading up. This disease is spreading up very fast from one person to another. Like this, now you see that today, in today's, at present, when disease is going on, that is corona, you know. All of you
Yes.
know, no? So now, what it is happening, this disease is specially infected to the small children only. किसे disease ज़्यादा होती है ये?
चिल्ड्रन को.
Small children. Very good. Okay. Second paragraph.
I will read, sir.
Yes.
At that time, Inuits and
Eskimos.
did not have the ability to fight this deadly
Disease.
The doctors sent a message out asking for medicines. The nearest place from where this medicine could be sent was
Would be sent. Would be sent. Beta, where are you?
be sent was
Encourage.
the
But the aeroplanes.
never flew in winter.
Okay. So what happened at that time means at the present time, what it is happening? Two of that vaccines were there. Inuits and Eskimos. Two vaccines, two vaccines were there, but they were not able to fight it. उसकी इतनी कैपेसिटी नहीं थी. Okay, so this deadly disease was not able to fight it with the deadly disease. So what happened? The Eskimos के जो दो vaccines थी ना बेटा, two vaccines were there no? दो vaccines इतनी fight नहीं कर सकती थी. Because this was the deadly disease. कौन सी disease थी? It was which type of disease?
Deadly, sir, deadly disease.
Deadly disease. Deadly disease means इंसान को खत्म कर दे.
खत्म कर.
Okay.
Yes.
Once he got this disease, then that person is to be dead. The doctor sent a message out asking for medicines. Doctor ने क्या कहा? They have sent a message.
Yes.
Where they have sent a message? That asking for the medicines. Medicines के लिए message
Medicines.
छोड़ा था कि जल्दी
Yes.
किसी यहाँ के medicines मिल जाए. You can get a vaccine. You know at present also. At present क्या हालत है? What is the position? If we do not get medicines, what it will happen?
2-4 दिन ताव आता है और सर्दी हो जाती है, फिर मर
At
जाते
present, we also need the medicines or not?
हैं। मेडिसिन तो लेनी पड़ती है, वैक्सीन और मेडिसिन
Ah,
और डॉक्टर की इलाज सब लेना पड़ता है।
very good. So they have find it out. जो nearest place थी where they can find the medicines, that was Anchorage. Which place it was? It was Anchorage. But the aeroplanes never flew in winter. In winter, anytime aeroplanes can fly. Yes or not?
Yes.
ऐसी विंटर सीजन के अंदर जब कभी बर्फ गिरता हो तो एरोप्लेन फ्लाई कर सकते हैं?
नो।
No.
नो, एरोप्लेन्स कैनॉट फ्लाई.
Yes. No.
Okay, aeroplanes are not
Yes.
able to fly because aeroplanes cannot see the way in the sky.
Yes.
एरोप्लेन्स कहाँ पे उड़ते हैं?
स्काई
Sky.
हवा
Sky.
में उड़ते हैं ना?
Yes.
आसमान में।
That is the problem. They cannot see the way. Okay, mic off कर दो. Okay, who will read the next paragraph?
Sir, मैं.
Yes.
The gro-
Yes.
the governor of
The
Alaska.
governor, the governor,
The governor of Alaska.
Alaska
Alaska.
decided
Decided
on an
on an
alternate route
alternate route which was farther
safer.
9
It was safer.
was paper 9 kilogram
9 kilograms
9 kilograms of medicine were sent by train to a place called
Ninana
Ninana. Since none was a thousand
1,000 kilometers
thousand kilometers away from Nisana,
Ninana
it was decided
decided that
that the medicine could
then be transported
be transported the known
to
by team
Nome
of
to Nome
two known by team of Alaskan
Alaskan
dogs lead by third
by their mushers.
Muchers. The dad was born
They
the
did
real
not want
not want real on
to rely on machines
to rely on machines give given the
urgency,
urgency and the trivial
terrible weather.
terrible weather. It was going to be
Similar
similar to a real race where
race,
on beds of dog could
run
run up 100 miles
100 miles
100 miles and hand the medicine over to the next group on the next
for the next
100 Mills,
100 miles.
100 miles, and so on.
Okay. Now let us see anybody has new joined in the class. Let me check out. So many have joined it. Raujani, Ali Asgar. Nurani Ali Nakki. Okay, beta, today we are ending our class here only. Tomorrow again we will meet it. Okay? Now you can leave the class, beta. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Bye
sir.
sir.
Khudafiz, sir.
Khuda.
Good afternoon, sir.
Khuda Hafiz,
Khuda.
sir.
Khudafiz, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Beta, Khuda.
Hafiz, sir.
Khudafiz, sir. Khudafiz, sir.
Okay.
ભાઈ એક છોકરો વયો ગયો. નહીં આમાં નહીં થાય.
આમાં આવશે કેમ?
ઓપન જો કે આવ્યું.
હા
ઓપન
હું
હમણાં આવ્યું તો ઓપન કરવાનું.
તો બધું ભાણ ને પછી દફતર લઈને બધું જે લખવાનું કીધું એ લઈ
BS બેસ બેસ શનવા